Hi my little friends, how are you today? Do you remember in the last lesson we learned 3-letter words with a short A sound. Now in the lesson 5 we will learn 3-letter words or CVC words with a short E sound. Do you remember what is the short E sound? Correct, it's E. So we will learn CVC words with a E sound. First, let's see the 2-letter blends with a short E sound. So we have be, ke, de, fe, ge, he, je, ke, le, me, ne, pe, que, re, se, te, ve, we, gse, ye, and ze. Good job! You remember that. You remember how in the last lesson we read sound on the green dot and the orange dot together, and we will blend it with the sound on the red dot. Like this. Ne, ta, net. Correct. Let's see one more. Green and orange together. Pe, na, pen. Good job. Now let's practice 3-letter words with E sound. Re, da, red. Ne, ta, net. Pe, na, pen. Be, da, bed. He, na, hen. Le, ga, leg. Te, na, ten. Pe, ta, pet. We, ba, web. Je, ta, jet. Let's practice a few more words. Pe, g, peg. Try to read with me. Me, n, men. Be, g, beg. Fe, d, fed. We, t, wet. Ye, s, yes. Le, d, led. Se, t, set. De, n, den. Be, t, bet. Awesome! We did it! Now try to learn more 3-letter words with your mom or dad, and you can even try to practice writing it. We will meet in the 6th lesson with 3-letter words or CVC blend with the short I sound, which is E. Bye till then, my little ones. Thanks for watching.